Disk devices. In front of me there are two disk devices. On the right I have 40 gigabyte HDD older generation that has power connectors, jumper pins, and an IDE data connector. So on the left I have 500 gigabyte SATA type HDD that has 15 pin power connection and SATA connection for our data processing. It also has some jumper pins, but they are not really used anymore. Now let's look inside HDD. Both of my HDDs have motherboards. The server HDD has a motherboard that is covered by a metal plate that protects it from any impacts. My smaller HDD was taken off from the laptop, so it doesn't really need that much of a protection. So what is inside our hard disk drive? Inside we have a platter that stores the information on tracks. We have a head that is reading the information from the platters. Head is not touching the platter. Here we got Spindle, and here we have our actuator arm that is moving, and this is our actuator axis. Our spindle is directly connected to a motor. This little piece is limiting the movement of an actuator arm. Here we can see we have two heads that are reading both sides of our platter. And this is our platter.